So I had a cool intro for this video. It had something to do with Jim Cramer. I believe I was going to say something offensive, like how you could become a millionaire by betting against Jim Cramer. But I forgot the intro. And Jim Cramer, I'm a big fan. Apologies. We are back, day 2. Well, it's not literally the second day, but I felt it would sound more professional and entrepreneurial if I measured the progress in days. Okay, enough ranting, let's log in. In the previous episode, I explained the objectives for my AI intelligence allocator. Today I'm going to choose my market scope. What assets the system can allocate capital to, what time horizon does it operate on, what information is available, and what constraints exist. Number 1, which assets to allocate capital to. We have crypto, futures, options, stocks, ETFs, and much more. For an AI intelligence system, the best assets are usually the ones that have lots of reliable data, high liquidity, clear pricing, many opportunities to compare and rank, low friction to enter and exit, aka the great American stock market. It has thousands of opportunities, easier to build scoring and ranking models around, and has a rich information environment. Which makes sense because that Jim Cramer guy can keep his mouth shut. I'm kidding, Jim. I promise. That's the last one. I promise you. If my goal is to build a serious system, then US stocks are the best option for me. Number 2, what time horizon will my system operate on? Definitely no scalping and intraday trading. The best time horizon is usually swing to position trading, a holding period of a week to 6 months. I prefer it because it offers more signals with less noise, less competition from high-frequency firms, and allows the system to include fundamentals and news. The system can ask which US stocks are most likely to generate superior risk-adjusted returns over the next 1 to 12 weeks. Moving forward to the system's information environment. For a US finance system with a 1 to 12 time horizon, the main information sources are price action, company fundamentals, news and events, macroeconomic data, institutional data, sentiment, industry and sector data. But for the first version of the system, I'll focus only on price action, fundamentals, and news. Those 3 sources provide most of the value while keeping the system manageable. Now over to the constraints the system will face. Number 1, capital. The system cannot buy everything because capital is scarce, and that's because you don't subscribe. Number 2, attention. Even if the system is automated, it still has a bottleneck. 5,000 stocks times 10 signals each equals to 50,000 evaluations, which is way too much noise. Number 3 is risk, which is a given in this industry. Number 4, time. Information is massive and fast. My system needs to take in information, filter it, and use it real quick. Number 5, data. Even if it's good at analyzing and cleaning data, the data itself can be late or incorrect. Number 6, liquidity. And finally, number 7, a computational constraint. What all this means is that I'll have more sleepless nights than I ever thought I would. Let's go through everything again. The market scope is US stocks, time horizon is 1 to 12 weeks, and I have 3 information sources. That's enough for me to move to the next stage. It's also enough for you to subscribe and for me to call it a day.